I'm going to show you how to disable the mouse in Parsec. So if you're running Parsec on your host computer and someone else is connecting to you, and you can basically control the permissions by clicking on the Parsec logo on the bottom left side where it says guests, which means the client's connected to your Parsec currently. And from here you can grant or revoke permissions to use gamepad, keyboard, and mouse. In this case, to disable them from using the mouse, you can click on the mouse here. If it says the correct check mark, it means they can use the mouse. If you click on it again and you see the X mark here, it means they cannot use the mouse or the mouse is disabled. You can also control this setting from your friends list by clicking on your friend, and then you can uncheck the mouse option if it says mouse control enabled, and that should disable the mouse. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.